So, you've seen those closing down sale ads for sarahandlouise.com pop up everywhere, maybe on Instagram, maybe Facebook. And you're wondering, is this stylish London boutique actually the real deal, or just another fast fashion scam? Well, let's break it down. Fast. First up, the London in the name, total misdirect. Customers report their packages arrive from China, not the UK. And those dreamy linen blend dresses you spotted? A lot of people say what they actually received was flimsy polyester, nothing like the photos. Now, let's talk urgency. Sarah and Louise.com loves a good clearance sale or everything must go banner. But don't fall for it. This is a classic tactic to make you buy quickly, before you have time to dig deeper. Customer reviews from 2026? Not pretty. On Trustpilot and other review sites, you'll find a steady stream of complaints. Poor quality, wrong sizes, and radio silence when people try to get help or return an order. And if you do want to return something, get ready to pay international shipping to China, sometimes costing more than what you bought in the first place. Here's how you can protect yourself. Double-check the website URL. Scam sites love to copy names from legit brands. Use a reverse image search to see if the product photos are stolen from real designers. And always pay with a credit card or PayPal, so you have chargeback protection if things go sideways. Bottom line, if it looks too good to be true, it probably is. Shop smart and don't let fake sales trick you out of your cash.